What if I told you that sometimes the most valuable things are hidden in the trash? Today, I stumbled upon something really unexpected, a pile of discarded metal fan guards, thrown away like they were worthless. But for me, this is not just scrap metal. This is raw material. This is opportunity. Most people would walk past it without a second thought, but I see potential here. So stay with me and let's turn this forgotten junk into something amazing. From the pile, I picked one fan guard that still looked solid. The metal was rusty and rough, but that didn't matter because I had a plan. With my angled grinder in hand, I began cutting through the steel. To complete it, I reused an old broomstick as the handle. Simple, but strong enough for the job. Next, I split the middle part to create the opening I needed. Then, I carefully cut away the unnecessary parts of the fan guard. Each piece of metal removed made the frame lighter and closer to the shape I needed. Now, prepare an empty pan. Cut along the sides carefully, and you'll get flat metal sheets ready to use. Now, take the metal sheet you just cut, fold it carefully, then use a hammer to flatten the surface. The smoother it gets, the easier it will be to use later. Look closely at the metal plate you've shaped. Now it fits perfectly to the size we want, just the way we planned. To make the plate connect firmly with the wire mesh, you need to drill some holes. These holes will be the key to locking both parts together. Now, use rivets to fasten the plate tightly to the wire mesh. Press each rivet firmly, making sure the connection is strong and secure. Now, prepare the broomstick that will be used as the handle. Mark the spot where it needs to connect with the frame, then carefully drill a hole through it. This hole is very important because it will allow the handle to lock tightly and stay strong during use. And now, the tool is finally ready. From old trash, we've built something useful with our own hands. Now it's time to put this tool to the test. I brought the rake to an area filled with dry leaves, plastic wrappers, and other waste scattered on the ground. With every pull, the curved wires caught more and more trash, gathering it all in one place. What was once just a pile of discarded fan guards and an old broomstick is now a tool that works perfectly to clean the environment. And the best part is this was all made from items most people would simply throw away. From trash to treasure, this simple project proves that even discarded items can have a second life. Imagine how much waste we could reduce if more people tried this. If you enjoyed this build and want to see more creative DIY ideas, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for the next project. Together, let's turn waste into something useful.